Hey, welcome. I want to talk with you a little bit about CBD oil. This is not drugs. You are not taking or using marijuana when you use CBD oil. It is an oil derived from the plant with medicinal properties to it, just like all of our other essential oils and other products that we get that are derived from plants. So it has many benefits. Don't let that lie and false news tell you that this is drugs, because it's not. So do your own research. I highly recommend everyone do their own research, get your own opinions about what you use, why you're going to use it, and what you put in your body. Okay, Young Living has CBD oil. Okay, this one is the 500 milligram orange, and Young Living also has a really good video on their own channel about how to use it. It says right on the bottle, apply where needed, up to a dropper full. I'm going to share with you how we use it. So I have used this for headaches, feeling unwell, muscle aches, things like that. I have taken it internally. If my kids aren't feeling well, I have them take it internally. I've even taken it internally for pain. So for instance, if I have a headache, I will just open this up, get a dropper full, stick it right on my tongue. It tastes pretty good. It's got orange oil in it. It's pretty mild flavor. It does say on the bottle to refrigerate for best taste, but I have just left it out and it's been fine. It's not going to go bad. When I've used it for pain, other places like sore back, I will just take it right out with the dropper, apply it, and rub it on. It's easy to use. It's got many benefits. It's safe for you. You don't have to worry about exposing yourself to something unwanted. So again, do your own research. This stuff is great. I highly recommend it. And of course, when you're getting things from Young Living, you know the quality is going to be superior. So you don't have to worry about additives in the processing or anything that's going to make the quality be lower than medicinal quality. And that's why we're using it, because we want the medicinal benefits. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that was helpful, and stay well.